Good evening, all our viewers. We wish to give you a statement on the operation we've carried out in Mbarara district. The campaign trail for presidential candidates has largely remained peaceful. However, as previously communicated, a few individuals have persistently provoked police and engaged in acts of violence against police officers. These actions include damaging police vehicles, assaulting personnel, causing public disorder, and inconsiderate use of public roads. The Uganda Police Force has made it clear that such conduct is unacceptable and will have consequences. In Busia district, suspects traveling on a NUP convoy assaulted a police officer. That case is registered at police. On October 3rd, in Mayuge district, they again assaulted a police officer. A case is registered at police. On October 8th, during a rally in Chankwanzi, they assaulted again a police officer. On October 21st, in Kakumiro, the windshield of a police vehicle was damaged. On October 28th, while on transit from Lira to Alebtong, police officers moving behind NUP candidates convoy were attacked and their vehicle tires punctured. Some property was also stolen. The following day, on 29th October, in Abimu district, a group of NUP candidate bodyguards, commonly known as foot soldiers, assaulted one Edibu Emmanuel, who was later hospitalized. On 5th November, they assaulted a journalist of Tayari television. Now, it should be emphasized that not all campaign participants engage in such conduct. Many behave respectfully and lawfully. Police action shall be directed at those who by choice repeatedly confront police officers, incite violence, and violate given guidelines. So today, 7th November, we have made several arrests in Mbarara district targeting individuals with criminal records. We also arrested those who tried to obstruct officers on duty, and all of them shall be charged accordingly and presented before courts of law if found that they are culpable. The police remains steadfast in their commitment to safeguarding all candidates, but will not tolerate criminality and disorder. And we shall exploit all legal frameworks to maintain peace through this campaign period.